Hello students, I am Professor Ambika Devi, Assistant Professor of Physics, Government First Grade College, Bidar. Today's video is related to Session 23 of BSc 5th Sem Basic Instrumentation Skills skill course, which is prescribed in the colleges affiliated to Karnataka State, Gulbarga University, Kalburgi. Let us now begin with the session of working and principles of basic RLC bridges. Okay. RLC bridges is employed for the measurement of resistance, capacitance, inductance, dissipation factor and quality factor. Resistance, inductance and capacitance, RLC bridges. Specifications of working and principle of RLC bridge. The bridge consists of the following components or elements. It consists four type of components. One is a single source, second one is a bridge, third one is balance amplifier, and fourth one is a meter detector in addition to power supply. Okay. First one is single source, second one is bridges. In bridges, Wheatstone bridge, Maxwell's bridge and De Sauty's bridge. Wheatstone bridge is used for the measurement of resistance. Maxwell bridge is used for the measurement of inductance. De Sauty's bridge is used for the measurement of capacitance. A sensitive core 0 microammeter is used to indicate the balance condition here. Okay. In that one. This is the skeleton type bridge. This figure shows the circuit diagram of the skeleton type bridge employed for the measurement of resistance, inductance and capacitance. See here R3 is the decayed resistance box. R3 is the decayed resistance box. The other arms are completed by connecting the unknown and standard components to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10 in null detector to 11, 12 and also power supply to 13, 14. This bridge is used for the measurement of resistance, inductance and capacitance. And this bridge is also used for both DC and AC measurements. For DC measurements, here we will use 1.5 volt to 1.75 volt batteries, and a center 0, 25 0 25 or 50 0 50 microammeters are used and connected to terminals of 11, 12. This is the skeleton type bridges. Next we will discuss the bridges, RLC bridges for resistance measurement, capacitance measurement and inductance measurement one by one. First one is the resistance measurement bridge, that is the Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge is made up of for measuring the resistance. This is the circuit diagram of the Wheatstone bridge. For the measurement of resistance, the Wheatstone bridge may be set up by proper arrangement of bridge arms as shown in the figure. The standard resistors R3 and R2 are connected to the terminals 1, 2 and 3, 4 respectively. Unknown resistance Rx, see the diagram. Unknown resistance Rx is connected to the terminal 9, 10 and a heavy wire jumper is connected to the terminals 5 and 6. For DC measurement, a battery is connected to the terminals 13, 12 and microammeter terminals are connected to 11, 12. For AC measurement, we will use the AC source. AF oscillator turned to frequency of 1 kilohertz is connected to the terminal 13, 14 and null detector terminals are connected to 11 12. The bridge is balanced to give a null deflection in microammeter by adjusting a decade switches. Here unknown resistance Rx is given by R2 R3 divided by R1. Here R2 R3 divided by R1. This is the measurement of resistance by using the Wheatstone bridge. Next is the Maxwell's bridge, which is used for the measurement of inductance. This is the circuit diagram of the inductance. In order to measure the unknown resistance L, standard resistor RZ is and standard capacitor of near 100 ohm standard capacitor and 100 ohm rheostat and heavy wire jumper, AC power supplies and detectors are connected to the terminals. These terminals. The bridge is balanced to give a null deflection by adjusting the decade switches and rheostat R4. Then unknown inductance is calculated by using the formula Lx equal to R2, R3 and capacitance, which is L is measured in terms of Henry, where R1 and R2 are measured in terms of ohm and C is measured in terms of farad. So by using this bridge, Maxwell's bridge, we will measure the inductance. Okay, inductance in terms of Henry. So